Hi guys, today I am reviewing the Chef Limited Whistling Teapot. They sent me the color black or whistling tea kettle. It is very nice. It doesn't look like it'll chip because it's thick, but it's actually lighter than other tea kettles that I've seen or held or used. There's a nice grip handle to it. And it's all stainless steel. It's very beautiful. Here it is. It's pretty big. I'd say enough for about 6 of the small glasses. Maybe 3, 4 of the big glasses of tea if you had those. Again, this is a nice grip. It feels like rubber, but I'm not sure exactly. And it is big enough here and here to where you can still see some of it, and it's not going to be hot once you grab it. This does come off. Very nice. And then the whistler, as you can see there. Just pull it off. On both sides there. The bottom. Very, very nice. And try to show you the inside as well. This is really well built. I like it. And I have used it once already. Came clean, didn't burn the bottom or nothing, which is wonderful. It didn't chip on the sides or anything. I did just use it once. The lid actually stays pretty snug in there. I'm just not even holding my hand underneath it. This is hard to push on and pull off, as you can see. So that stays pretty good. It's not going to blow off. The whistling sound is actually really light compared to other brands, which is nice. I mean, light enough to hear it, but yet light enough to not be annoying like other brands' tea kettles. And it's just beautiful. I love it. They do offer other colors. But there's my unique review. I did receive this product for free or at a discount in exchange for my honest review. Thanks for watching.